Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings now. This gets you straight to the network list. Make sure your device is on and unlocked because many systems hide Wi-Fi controls behind a login. Once done, tap the network or Wi-Fi pane so the operating system can scan for nearby signals. This immediate scan reveals active SSIDs. You want to see the list so you can identify which network belongs to your router. If the list is empty, move closer to the router and refresh the view. You now examine the scanned SSID names and the signal bars to find the right network. Why check signal strength? Because the strongest one is usually the router you're near. This narrows choices when similar names exist. If names look unfamiliar, flip the router or check the sticker for the default SSID. Many manufacturers print it there. Once you match the label or model, you can confirm it in the router's admin page if needed. Open a browser and log in using the router's IP address to verify the SSID. You finish by connecting or checking the router admin to confirm the network name. Try a quick connection. If the device requests a password, the SSID is active and matched. If you need to see or change the name, log into the router's admin interface at its local IP address and view the wireless settings. That reveals the SSID and whether it's hidden. If nothing appears, restart the router and device, then refresh. This common troubleshooting step resolves most temporary scan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.